table.
I'll sit here kasi nga.
Maliit lang na table, so it's
Oo, maliit.
easier.
Ito lang. Dito lang tayo para mas intimate. I'm videoing.
Kaya problema.
Wow. What's that? Explain why we are... Thank you.
Zutaten.
Go.
Sie wird den wissen, was dir eigentlich drinnen sind. So,
Genau.
yes, yeah.
What's
It's
that,
practically egg whites and sugar.
So it's merengue, no?
Yes, it's like a meringue. And then you put it in the oven and it grows like that. Okay. And then you just put some confectioner sugar on top. And then you
But they
eat
have
it
jam.
with
What's
yes.
You can also eat it with the jam.
Was ist Preiselbeeren? Rita?
Das, genau.
No, Himbeer? Was ist es eigentlich? Himbeer?
Preiselbeeren.
Preiselbeeren. Dankeschön.
Ja?
What do you say again in Preiselbeeren in English?
So, noch ein bisschen Schaum.
Bitte. Danke.
So, heißt
Cranberries. Cranberries. You eat it with cranberries.
Genau.
Cranberry jam.
Yes.
Thank you.
Dankeschön.
Dankeschön.
Oh, thank you.
Are you ready? Say hi to my vlog. So, we are taking the elevator para tumaas. Ito yung gusto ng mga friends natin, yung mga cave look.
So this time naman ay sinasamahan kami ni Yudilin at saka ni Rain para mas makita ang a better view of Salzburg, which is sa taas ng medyo malabundok na ito. So kailangan natin mag-elevator and they are bringing us there.
Salamat po sa ating sponsor for today's video.
Ating road manager.
Yes.
Laging handa.
Pero hindi naman ito road manager ito yung ano lang proxy. Dahil lang Ate Alma ang manager.
Ang proxy pala, assistant road manager.
There it is. Welcome to Heaven's Resort.
Yan lang.
Where you can rest in peace forever. Mataas ba to?
Not yet, please. Guluhin mo muna ang buhay.
Kailangan ko muna magka-joke. Hindi pa pwede. Tang-inang buhay yan. Don't say bad words.
Alam niyo yun kasi si Mami.
Guilty. Very guilty beyond reasonable doubt. Oh yeah.
It's really good. I got samples on the way with your Laron. And
How do you get a lot of samples, Ray?
because I'm meat.
Are you friends also with the apoteka?
No. But I was interested, and then she said, "Oh, you know what? I was just gonna give you everything they have."
Wow.
Resourceful ang anak ko.
Yeah. Okay, we're here already. Go. Wow. So let's go.
So we see the beautiful view of Salzburg.
So nandito naman po ang tour guide natin for today's video. Si Yudilin.
And that's the moment you sing. The hills are alive with the sound of music.
Oo. Sino ka dyan?
Maria!
Maria, I just met a girl.
Songs they have sung.
For 1,000 years. Aba!
The hills fill my heart.
Ay! Di ba? Di ba?
Was to sing every song.
May tao. Mamaya. Nahiya. Ano ka ba? Pambato ka nga kita eh. Look at this. What are we looking at?
What are we looking at? You can see the fortress. Yan yung bull, yung parang castle.
Yeah.
But during those times, you have to defend a city like this, a rich city like Salzburg. They have to defend it, so they have to build a fortress. And then you see the UNESCO heritage.
The Altstadt.
Yeah.
Where were we?
Duomo with the green
The Green Dome.
dome. Yeah, there's a basilica. And our patron is Saint Rupert.
St. Rupert Everett. Char. Char lang. So guys, as you can see, andito na kami sa top.
Just be careful, oh, you will not met anak ko your jacket.
Oo nga, saan ka galing?
Here.
What happened?
It is wet. No, look, it's dripping. Be careful, ha? Madulas yung...
Oo nga.
yung snow.
So, that's the view. Look at the view of Altstadt, the old city of Salzburg.
Never ko pa siya nakita ng ganito. Ang beautiful lang. I like it better here in perspective. Kasi kaya makikita mo siya from here. We were eating there, diba?
Saan
Doon
yan?
sa may tower. Yeah.
Where is that?
We walked
At that
through
tower. Okay.
Ayun yung lakad natin. Oh.
Ang bilis natin maglakad.
Sport
Yung
mode.
kasuhan.
Sport
Yung
mode.
kasuhan. Nabudol ka.
Hindi naman po namin alam na kami pala po ay pupunta sa Great Wall of China. Parang Great Wall of China ito. Hala. Parang nagagalit ang ano. Kanta kasi tayo ng kanta. Jujulanis ba yan? Laban zest?
Yeah, yun na.
Sinabi na ni
Kinakaya natin zest. Oh, I love it. Yan. Diyan ka mag-magic flute. Ay, Mama Mia, Diyos ko, ang lamig. Sabi ng ating friend na si Yudilin, oh my God. Sabi ni Yudilin, siguro mahangin to. Takip pa natin. Kasi parang hahanginan yung mic ko.
It's like a type
Jack! Naku, favorite ng nanay mo yan! Don't you know, Rain? That's Mom's favorite movie.
Napanood mo na.
Have you watched it?
Of course.
And how about
I was
Tay
really
Tay
little.
Island? We were in England,
Uh-huh.
and I never wanted to step on a boat after.
Scary.
I guess this is the end of our Vienna and Salzburg trip na talagang nag-enjoy kami dalawa ni Mark. Kaya thank you very much. First, maraming salamat sa iyo, Zest. For the house, for the pasalubong, thank you very big. And to you, D, mamimiss kita. Babalik kami dito, don't worry. And thank you very much sa pagpasyal nyo sa amin, lalo na si Rain, kahit na busy siya. Anyway, sobrang lapit lang naman ng Austria, kaya promise yan, babalik kami. Ciao!